Don't skip this video. This niche is exploding right now. Animated fitness workout channels are going viral every single day, and many creators are building fast-growing channels in this space. These types of videos attract millions of views. You're looking at a fitness-style animation channel with over 6 million subscribers and only a few dozen videos. In just a short time, their videos have reached millions of views. According to public analytics estimates, channels like this can generate thousands of dollars per month, and in some cases, even 6 figures per year. Why is this happening? Because these videos look professional, clean, and helpful. A consistent, animated trainer teaches viewers how to exercise, lose weight, and stay fit. The preview you're seeing right now was created using a free AI tool.
Stand tall, breathe in, and get ready to move with energy. We begin with high knees to wake up the body and boost your heart rate. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. Now move down to the mat for strong, steady donkey kicks. Feel the glutes working and maintain good balance. Step back into reverse lunges and stay focused on your form. Stretch through the sides with smooth windmill motions. Lift your legs with control and engage your core on every rep. Drop into squats.
The character stays consistent, the animations look smooth, and the final result feels like a professional fitness app video. So if you're thinking about starting an online channel or building a new income stream, let's get started. First of all, don't panic. I will send you a link in the description for the master prompt. Simply open that link and a document file will open in front of you. Inside that document, I have already prepared a complete master prompt. In this master prompt, I have added the character details, all the character scenes, image prompts, video prompts, and all the exercises we are going to use. I have also added a screenshot image for a consistent character, so it becomes easy for you to create the same character again and again. Simply copy that master prompt and come to ChatGPT and paste it here. Also download the screenshot image I provided and upload it here as well. And remember guys, you must write cartoon style. This is very important. Otherwise it will generate a realistic character, and we don't want that. This new channel, we want a cartoon style character. When you click generate, first of all it will give you a master character prompt. This is the consistent character we will use in all videos. After that, it will give you 10 image prompts that we will generate scene by scene. Then it will also give you 10 video prompts that we will use to convert the images into videos. So now our image prompts and video prompts with a consistent character are ready. Next step is image and video generation. Today the tool we are going to use is Meta AI, which is a free AI tool. I will put the link in the description. Simply open it and log in with Facebook. After that, click on Create. You will see that I have already tested some images. Here. This tool generates images very fast and very professionally. First, click on Create and select Image. Choose your image ratio. Then copy the master prompt and paste it into Meta AI. Here, you need to make one small change. You must write cartoon style in the prompt. This is very important. Otherwise, it will generate a realistic image, and we only want cartoon style for our channel. Now click Generate, and within about 30 seconds your character image will be ready. You can see the cartoon style character looks amazing and professional. This was just a test generation. Now we will generate the first image. Again, copy the master prompt, paste it, add cartoon style. Then copy the first image prompt and paste it there. Click Generate and wait. Your first pose image will be ready. Download the best one that looks most consistent. Repeat the same process again. Paste the master prompt, add cartoon style, paste the next image prompt, and generate. Your second pose will be ready. Choose the best and download it. Sometimes an image may look a little strange, but don't worry. Just click Generate again and it will fix itself. Repeat this same process for all images. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. One by one generate and download them. After some time, all your images will be ready. Now the next step is video generation. When all images are ready, go to a new chat in Meta AI and click Create again. This time, select Video. Click the plus icon and upload your first generated image. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into Meta AI and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first video will be ready. You can even add music or choose styles from the side panel. This tool gives many options, and it is completely free. Now repeat the same process for the second video. Go to New Chat, click Create, select Video, upload the second image, paste the second video prompt, and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and your second video will be ready. Do the same for all remaining images and video prompts. One by one, generate all videos. So guys, you can see all my videos are now ready. Meta AI is a free tool where you can generate unlimited images and videos. Using this method, you can create a full animated workout channel and upload professional-looking videos. Now let's move to the next step. Guys, now that our videos are ready, the next important step is voiceover. Simply go back to ChatGPT and paste this text. Please give me a voiceover for this video script in 10-15 lines. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a clean voiceover script. Copy those lines. Now we'll move to a free AI tool for voice generation. The tool is 11 Labs. Open it and log in. Once you log in, you'll get free characters for voice generation, which is more than enough for our videos. On the right side, you'll see different voices. Click on Voices and choose a default free voice. You can select any female voice you like. After selecting the voice, simply paste your script and click Generate. Within seconds, your voiceover audio will be ready.
Welcome back.
Download the audio file. Now we move to the final step: video editing. Open any editing software you like. I'm using CapCut. Import all your generated videos into the timeline and also import the voiceover audio. First, place the voiceover on the timeline and adjust its volume. Then, one by one, add your video clips according to the voiceover timing. Match each clip with the correct part of the voiceover. If there is extra audio at the end, trim it. Next, you can add transitions between clips. For example, search for black fade or any smooth transition and apply it between scenes. You can also add light sound effects related to exercise if you want. Once everything looks good, export the video in 4K resolution. And just like that, your professional animated workout video is ready using free AI tools. After your videos are ready, create a YouTube channel in this niche and start uploading consistently. Try to upload daily or at least regularly. Over time, your channel can grow and reach a wide audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.